Hello my dear students. Today I am going to explain you the topic determiners. Determiners are the words which are placed in front of noun to make it clear that what that particular noun refers to. And they all come at the beginning of the noun phrase, but usually we cannot use more than one determiner in the same noun phrase. Some examples of the noun phrase are my pen, this ceremony, a Coca-Cola can, any question, that jar, a lot of food, a disappointed parent. Now, the few examples of determiners are the, and, this, one, my, your, a little, which, other, those, most. Let's take these examples. The grade 7 Exodus was awarded as the most disciplined section of the month. That man in the blue shirt is my brother. To hear that, and in the first sentence, the grade 7. So, that refers to the particular article. Classes of determiners. There are 8 classes of determiners. Articles, which can be definite or indefinite. Demonstrative determiners, quantifiers, possessive, and numbers. Numbers can also be divided into 2 parts, cardinal and ordinal. Distributive or indefinite pronouns, question words or relative pronouns. Articles, definite and indefinite. Articles a and the. The indefinite article a or an are for non-specific or general terms. They are used for the non-specific or general terms. But article the is used for a specific purpose. So definite article and indefinite articles are the, a, and. The visitors are coming. So this is specific. A box of chocolate was eaten by Lance. But which kind of a box? No specific type of box has been given here. Now the demonstrative determiners, which point out to showing who or what. Like in singular sense, we call it as this, that, but in plural, these, those. This pair of shoes is mine. I think that girl is their leader. Quantifiers, they are used to show the amount of something. Few, much, more, some, any, more, little, many, a lot of, other, enough, such. Some students are not in their proper uniform. So here they are referring to some, a quantity of few students. Most student teachers are staying at the library. Possessive determiners, which shows possession. My, your, his, her, its, are, their. My brother John will be celebrating his birthday tomorrow. I will show you our new pet. Cardinal number and ordinal number. Cardinal 1, 2, 3, 4, specific, where you can counting and shows the quantity. 2 dogs are barking outside. 30 students are studying in the class. Ordinal number, they show position of someone or something in a series. I was sitting on the first bench. So that means the ordinal number. Distributives, both, either, each, all, of, neither, every. They refer to each without any exception in the group. Every human being is unique. Question words, or they are also called as relative pronouns. Who, which, what, whatever. Kit is a guy whose mother is a famous singer. So they are also called interrogative, and along with that they are also called relative pronoun because they show the relationship of the noun with the other. Thank you.